Question 1. Do you like science? Answer 1. Yes, I quite like science. When I was young, I was very curious about it because it could answer many of my questions about the world. Learning science helped me understand the principles behind natural phenomena and technological advancements. Plus, it sparked my curiosity and desire to explore, always leading me to discover new things. Answer 2. To be honest, I'm not really into science because it's always been a closed book to me. I know that it would be really useful if I could gain more science knowledge, as it can help me gain a deeper understanding of the world. But, I just find it baffling. Question 2. When did you start to learn about science? Answer 1. I started learning about science in elementary school, and especially enjoyed natural science classes. We learned about life sciences and did fun experiments, like growing bean sprouts and observing insects. By middle school, I got into physics and chemistry. And in high school, all the science subjects were included in the curriculum. Answer 2. I guess it was back in junior high school. At that time, I began to take some science intro courses, like rudimentary physics and chemistry. However, like I said, science is just confusing and perplexing to me, so I used to get low scores in all of the science tests. Question 3. Which science subject is interesting to you? Answer 1. It's hard to choose, because I'm not particularly skilled in studying or researching science. However, in middle school, I found physics the most interesting because it explained many everyday phenomena. For example, Newton's laws of motion fascinated me. I loved doing physics experiments under the teacher's guidance, and it was quite fun. Answer 2. Well, honestly, I have zero interest in any of the science subject. But if I had to choose, I'd go for biology. 'Cause I love working out and hitting the gym, and think knowing something about biology can help me live a healthier life as it can tell me how diet and exercise can have an effect on my health. Question 4. What kinds of interesting things have you done with science? Answer 1. I've done many interesting science experiments, like making simple circuits. In middle school, I presented an experiment on light refraction and reflection during a science exhibition, which was well received. Although it seems simple now, I took it very seriously at the time. Answer 2. Well, if I remember correctly, I did some fun scientific experiments back in high school. So at that time, we had chemistry lessons, it was compulsory, and sometimes we needed to do experiments in the lab. And once I made a volcano by adding vinegar to baking soda. Yeah, so that was fun. Question 5. Do you like watching science TV programs? Answer 1. I don't watch them often, but I remember a program called Scientific Exploration that explained amazing natural phenomena. Through this show, I gained a deeper understanding of the universe, Earth, and life. Besides that, I haven't watched many science programs, maybe because they are less common. Answer 2. Absolutely, I love them. Those types of shows not only provide stunning visuals, but also deepen my understanding of complex scientific concepts. These programs make learning about science accessible and entertaining, which is great for sparking interest in people of all ages. Question 6. Do Chinese people often visit science museums? Answer 1. I'm not entirely sure, but from what I know, we usually visit history museums more often. However, there are many science and technology museums, especially in big cities. Parents often take their kids there. Science museums have many interactive exhibits and interesting displays that spark children's curiosity and interest in learning. These places are usually very crowded on weekends or holidays. Answer 2. Science museums are popular destinations for people in China, especially among students and families. They offer interactive exhibits, hands-on experiments, and educational programs that make learning about science both fun and informative.